Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to replace your Ford Transit sun visor. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few common tools. First, let's make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a T20 Torx screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Sometimes a 7mm or 9/32 inch socket is also useful. A plastic pry tool is great for protecting your interior too. Let's get started. Now let's remove the old sun visor. Begin by unhooking the visor from its retaining clip and pulling it down. Next, locate the plastic cover where the visor attaches to the ceiling. Gently pry this cover off using your flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, being careful not to scratch your headliner. Once exposed, remove the 2 to 4 screws holding the visor in place. If your visor has a vanity light, carefully disconnect the electrical wiring before fully removing the old unit. With the old visor removed, it's time to install your new one. If your replacement visor includes a vanity light, start by connecting the electrical wiring. Then, carefully align the new visor's stem with the mounting assembly in the ceiling. Gently push the visor into place, ensuring all tabs are correctly seated. Line up the screw holes and reinsert the 2 to 4 screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the threads or damage the plastic. Finally, let's finish up the installation. Carefully reattach the plastic cover over the main assembly point, ensuring it snaps firmly into place. Give your new sun visor a gentle tug and move it through its full range of motion to confirm it's securely installed and operates smoothly. If your visor has a vanity light, test it to make sure it illuminates correctly. You've successfully replaced your Ford Transit sun visor. Great job, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.